Hi guys, just checking in. Not done much in the house today. I literally went out to get my toes done for Dubai, and I went and picked up a bit of home bits. So I just want to do a little bit of a haul. I'm just gonna hopefully just find a tripod and prop you somewhere. I think there's one in this bag here, so I'll be back to you in a second. Right, I'm not sure where the tripod is, so I'm facing this way. Oh, my battery's flashing as well, so I need to locate my other batteries too, which I think I know where they are. Right guys, I'm back. Right, full battery. Right, I'm sitting on the floor here because I can't find my tripod. The house is still a mess, I'm not gonna lie, but let's go through some home things. So I've been to Asda today, I've been to the Range, and I've been to Home Bargain. So yeah, let's go through everything that I picked up. So first off, let's have a look what we picked up from Asda. So I have picked up another blue towel. The other blue towel is in this house somewhere that I picked up from Primark. I don't know whether you remember. I don't know where it is, but I'm obviously going to rotate because this is for the downstairs loo. And we've got navy in there. So I did pick up another towel. This was, I think this was £3, which is an absolute buy. It was actually cheaper than Primark. So yeah, I did pick up that navy blue towel. Picked that up as well. Now they had some lovely navy bathroom stuff in Asda. So I did pick up as well, and they are made of pot, and it's got this lovely sort of brush gold at the top. So a toilet brush, but they were about £8 per pot, which I thought was nice. It actually feels really smooth as well. So I did pick up a navy blue one of those, and I also picked up a navy blue soap dispenser. I think, if I'm not correct, and I don't have my receipt to hand, I think this was about £4. But I loved it with the gold and everything. Gold and navy always look really, really nice together. So I did pick those up as well. Also from Asda, I picked the same one up again in black. Again, that was £8. And I also picked up the black version of the pump dispenser as well in black. And again, it has this like, it feels really soft, like a soft matte feeling. I also picked up the toothbrush tumbler as well. So this is for one of the upstairs bathrooms. I think my ensuite actually. That's what that one's for. So they were from Asda. Also from Asda, I did pick up this light. Now this very much resembles the one in the bedroom which the previous owners left. But I did get this typically for my dressing room area. Which is an absolute mess at the minute, but I thought that would just keep in the sort of wireframe sort of look. So I did pick up that, and that was £10 from Asda as well, the wire one. So that was that. Right, moving on to, let's move on to B&M. So they had some lovely black things in as well. So this is kitchen related. So this was £5. This one was Urbanist kitchen roll holder. You see, I had a lot of silver, and this one, I threw my old silver one away because it had gone a little bit like rusty. But this one's black, and it has this sort of lovely wooden base as well, so that holds your kitchen roll holder. And there's predominantly black in the house. It's like black and white a lot of the places, and the kitchen is black and white. So I did pick up that as well for £5. Also from B&M, I picked up another toilet brush. This was £5. This one's just a plastic one, but I thought it was ideal. It could be for the main bathroom as well. Also for the main bathroom as well, I picked this jar up, which was £3. Slightly, obviously, a little bit like this, but just a slightly bit different, so that it's just not... Just to be a little bit different, I just picked, instead of picking up two of those, I thought I'd just go for a slightly different style for the main bathroom. So I did pick up that one as well for £3. Also from B&M, we got the sink caddy, which I thought was really good. I've had one of these before in white many moons ago. And this one was £3.50. This is the Urbanist range as well. Sink caddy. I've just realised that I actually did pick up another one of those in black. I've obviously miscalculated how many bathrooms I've got. So I have got this one, and I've got this one as well. So actually I could use one for the kitchen sink actually. So I'll keep these ones in keeping for the bathroom, and then this one, actually, will it fit? It won't even fit, will it? Will that one fit? Oh wow, that one fits in there. So I might actually use this one for the kitchen sink and hold that in there, and then use this one in the upstairs bathroom, just so that you've not got the general like dispenser, you know, the sort of plastic dispensers on show. So also from also from Asda, sorry, I missed this one out. I got this sink caddy with a wire, and it uses like suction cups. I think it wasn't expensive. I think it was like £6 or something. But I thought this would look good in the shower, just to hold. At the minute, there's nowhere to put like your shampoo and conditioners, and nowhere to like hold your little like poof and stuff. So I thought I'd get that just to hang on the wall. And it, like I said, it uses like suction in order to attach, so that you don't have to like drill into tiles and stuff. So I got that as well. Also from B&M, I picked up the black and white striped tea towels for £3.50. This has the black and white stripe plus a standard black one, and then just the same one at the back there. So they were £3.50 for those. B&M again, I did pick up 2 lots of the Woodland Whispers Febreze, just for going around the house as well. The range, B&M again. I picked up this little basket as well to go on to the bottom of my little sink. I've got like a little caddy thing that's going to go in one of the bathrooms, and it's just nice to just like put like toilet rolls in or something, a few little toiletries and stuff. That was £4 as well. From the range, I picked up a, oh hold on one sec, this throw, because I'm thinking I'm going to have navy in the living room. So at the minute I have a grey sofa with a grey poof. I'm thinking about introducing a pop of navy, because from B&M Bargains I did pick up this rug, which I thought was lovely. It's got the warm shades in here that'll match the woodwork, but it's also got like a pop of blue, like little flecks of blue that I could just pick out. And I do like kind of like navy as a colour. I think it can look really, really nice, especially with grey. The walls in here are grey and white. The panelling is white. The walls are a very, very light grey, and my sofa is grey. So I was thinking maybe to get an occasional chair for here, and then in blue, obviously, and then this pop of maybe some blue cushions, and just this blue, this rug with this little bit of blue in there would look really, really nice. This was £30, which I thought was an absolute bargain. I'm not 100% sure of the size. I didn't think I needed anything massive. It does say large on there, but we will see. Sorry, the other thing that I did say I got as well from Asda were these toilet roll holders. So I got one with navy, got one with black. And I think they were about £8 as well. Also from the range, this I think was about £6. It was really cheap. It's in navy again, so it was the last one as well. So and it looks like someone's opened it and tied it back up, but it was the last one. So I did pick up that as well. I also picked this up. I think this was £2.50. This is like a doormat. I think this one will look better than the one that I've got down currently at the front door. It's just a little bit more durable. And then also from the range, I did pick up this lamp, which was £25. It's a Jack's table lamp with a very dark grey at the bottom and a grey shade, a light grey shade at the top, which will look perfect in my bedroom. So yeah, a little bit of a, oh, one more thing. I think this was a couple of quid. I picked up a shower, sort of a sponge squeegee thing, just to get rid of the shower, the shower drops from the shower. Good evening, guys. So today we have it is in sort of towards the evening. I'm trying to currently set up my Sky Stream. I have moved over to Sky Stream, so I'm just trying to get this set up. I've also got a few interesting parcels that I want to share with you. So we've had a couple of things received today, and yeah, we're going to open them together. Oh, so the first thing that I did get is actually one of these furniture movers. So it basically is to try and move my bed because it's now on carpet. When I'm trying to lift, it's on hydraulics. When I try and lift it, it gets stuck on my headboard. So I have to like pull it out. But because now that it's on carpet, it's a bit more difficult. So I got those, they're supposed to be like really robust ones that are going to be able to lift my bed up, so I can pull it out and I can open it and I can put loads of storage in there. So the other things that I got as well were also picked up I've had some parcels. So we've got here, this is a new mirror. I'll try and insert a picture so that you can see what this looks like. I'm not going to open this just now, but this is like a mirror with a cabinet so that you can put like your skincare in there, and it's got like dehumidifier, sort of demisting sort of thing on it as well, and obviously LED lights. Here we've got a radiator cover that's going to go here. Across this radiator to make this look a little bit more of an entrance. And I do need to put a mirror back up. I do have a mirror for this, but I just need to create the fastenings so that it can sit on these hooks here. This as well, not that, that's for the garage. This as well is very interesting. So I'm going to bring this in here and we'll open it together. Right, so I've just opened the lid and Tilly is very interested in having a look. And this is what we've got. It's actually a light shade for here, which I thought was really, really good. It's sort of in keeping with the rest of the house, because it is, you know, in this sort of like wavy, sort of Scandi shape, which I thought was really, really nice. Tilly, what are you doing? She just loves a box. The cats have settled in really well. Yeah, Sylvie's there, she's just chilling, and Tilly's now eating plastic. Tilly, don't eat plastic. So they're ready for the dinner, to be fair, so I better go and give them their dinner. So yeah, I'm still struggling with SkyStream, so we'll see how this goes. So we've got SkyStream working now, and yeah, this is my cute little fireplace. Let's just move this box. This is a electric fire, so I'm just going to hide them cables there as well. So this has actually got like a degree thing on it on the room there, and then all you do is you turn it on and you've got like a flame, and it actually throws out some nice heat. It's going to look lovely in the winter. It's going to be super cozy in here with this door shut, and we can shut the kitchen dining room door there as well. It's going to be super cozy, yeah. So we're going to be able to watch our favourite shows. So happy that that's sorted now, because I've had endless trouble with the SkyStream thing. I got one sent yesterday, and then this one's a new box today. I think the one from yesterday was faulty. So I'm going to tidy these little bits away because I have boxes everywhere. I've got a load of stuff to go to the tip again, box wise, and I'm going to hang this shade shortly, but I need to turn the main light off so that it's cool enough for me to take the bulb out. But yeah, we'll get on with a few jobs. So I've got that, and I've got to build the radiator shelf as well. Hi guys, I've not picked the camera up in a couple of days, so I thought I would continue with this vlog. I think I started it probably sort of middle of last week before I went back to work. So we're going to continue today. I have been quite busy, but something had arrived the other day and I haven't had a chance to put it together because I've just been busy all over the place. This is from the online home shop. If you've seen it online, you can get super cheap deals. I think they do this stuff on Amazon as well. This is where I got this one from. It's literally a radiator cover that's going to go in my hallway. Online home shop, that's OHS. And we're going to give this a go and try and put it together. So yeah, I'm going to unpack it, and hopefully I believe the instructions were a little bit sketchy according to some of the comments on the page, but we're going to try and put this together. So yeah, without further ado, let's crack on. Too sure about the picture. I think it's probably a picture frame, should I say. It's probably a little bit too big. I might just swap that round, and I need to just sort my mirror out. But I need to just take these screws out here and fill those holes and then put my mirror up, which is currently residing in the corner. These are the bathroom mirrors, by the way. So yeah, it's looking quite nice at the moment. Like I said, I might just swap that picture out because I think it's just a little bit too dominant. So I might just find something else to sit there.